Lawn and Eirachi. Welcome to my live stream here. The 5th Kugalajeg on the 15th of June. Agus no Law and Eirachi. Father's Day. Mashabiach Law Jazz Sunday Law and Eirachi Economy. Sula. Hope you all have a nice Father's Day. Sé tá lá go bra hín trúna go híhann it bhí me deach éis a siúlaid jazz tin agus for me mo chuid céimnaí cos mé gannaí cos céimnaí cairdeag míle tá cairdeag míle cos méid fáteam steps 14,000 steps I've gotten after a lovely nice long walk siúlaid jazz fad sé chláán se suas hí sé sort Mas tróna níor seo hís ar saoil ar báistí agus níor séintach jazz ach chláánte suas agus midh ní dechan gansaí se bheorm agus bhráma anse bhí me chorális I chorális means sweating so bhí me ag chorális I was sweating wearing just this top agus ag siúl Murder my shoe but nach better quick nomad shoe that quick nomad but 50-minute walk no mar sin agus man broom pram la quick nomad I was pushing the pram for 50 minutes shoeless jazz agus ni chafuar was a bit chéim Celsius no mar sin be about 14 degrees Celsius chéim Celsius Celsius 14 degrees Celsius. Agus Ranjarma vad a gaidi che. It wasn't long getting warm. Ach, I think we'll do once a live stream. I see there's one person in the live stream. Agus Falche between live stream. Welcome to the live stream. Agus Mario Jarns Magoni, as I always say, Mata Chestagui Rom, if ye have any questions for me, a native Irish speaker. And the west coast of Ireland, on a small island. There's Sabina said hi. Jehoch Sabina, Jehoch. Hello Sabina. That's it. Well, on will ein heilige at. On will ein heilige agat at. Sabina. Do you have any Gaelic, any Irish? I hope you're all keeping well, all two of you. Agus an bhirteagaí tas a live stream. Agus tas in blogum mishkewem. Blogum. So blogum is like a drop of water, I suppose. Blogum mishke. Oh, sma tushke na rivin startart. Being blas. Tas at nars to spal pui leis a tart. Spal pui. Leis a tart when you're absolutely perched. Being blasart millish, no, but I've not got blast millish tishke water when you're parched. Like really thirsty. Almost has a sweetness to it. It's like my good night a tartart. There's Cliffy Reeve at Jehoch. Just my rich, that's a mutugama. Agus there's Kaelin Lachlan. Hi, just my watch, Kaelin, just my watch. So that's soon go to go ma. Agus dúirt XOX are you Irish? Tá, is nach me. Is nach me. I am Irish. How do you know so much Irish? Well, it's as Ilan Aran, man, from the Iron Islands. Tá give le gailge me, is gailge ro hochish. I'm a native Irish speaker. So Irish is my first language. You hear me and good bear and daughters. And I was a niece when I was growing up. I had a bit of English, but gailge much a kind of le machlan, much cards, much coursin, you know, my neighbours, friends, and family, we all through Irish. Been blasted in Mechanos, here I said Jetaragamin. Smilums. ní mailim rud é víns rááda, ní mailim sconain víns rááda, ní mailim scéalta víns rááda, so mailim sort rud gairid, nó réisanta gairid, ach jonta go ma. I like short stories, short films, short seasons of things. Mar gheile cluffy computer games, ní mailim cluffy rívide, Hans erais, you know, open, ní mailim sort mar gera open world cluffy, a víns rover, bín nimach an ach ní bhéin radán. You know, open world games when there's a lot, big, huge open spaces in the game. Ach ní tard le but there's nothing to do with the jachruach tard. So tá blas in megan. There's Brian Murphy, Jaga Chahara. Ma chaint ar a hóchas ceirdaíad da is tuairí mi ar a gaí múntar gailgeas na scoilean lai. Well, I know ní mailim sa gaige caiiteanta. I don't like standard Irish. As dáisteach agus mí nádrach. Standardized Irish to me sounds fake. Ní mailim gaige caiiteanta. Tas at barlam de mach gailge sort dúchasach óhúchas daine sort tas art. I know sa chud smó na mochiri ní gaige óchas iad no. Most of the teachers, they're not native speakers, so they're not able to teach native Irish because they're not native speakers themselves. A chuig úma tar rudí tas the cuil an cuil áir agus rudí. Mar tas nó ní ceist ní freagra simply ar a question. It's not an easy question. An easy answer for the question. Pas an goil doine a yield, the yield. I know a lot of teachers, they make an effort and, you know, some are better than others. I know scholarut, I like everything. Some people are better at certain things and whatever. Ní mailim gaige caiiteanta na read. I don't like standardized gwailga mar a deara ní léin anam. Ní chumsa ní éitin go léin anam ní ainte go jazz an na clúasa. Doesn't sound nice on the ears. XOX. It's my first Irish as well in my school. We only learned the basics of Irish, and I use Duolingo to learn the language as well. Since it's my first language, I hope I get to understand and get better. I never get to actually talk Irish. XOX. Jack Vader, bailóíart, ceachúiltó. Tá maithar céin ma jata cireis a siúlaid jazz a chin, agus just back from a nice walk there, siúlaid jazz, agus nimthar céin. Bhí rubag tartar ma tá glyn iscamata. Rubag tartar, a little bit thirsty ach tá glyn iscamata. Just an go jazz. Man it back. Come on, it's a tart. Bain sé tart it. Good for the thirst. Ach, tá maithar céin. Agus ceachúil tú hain, Jack. Ceachúil tú hain. Tás an bhúlta go má lá na néireachai. Lá na néireachai, mar deara. Go hintach chuiste tá maithar bár. Go má. Iontach ar fat. Agus tas an bhúte cinál go má after sin, bhúte be breanú aon wat simúil a telly bhfuil Netflix nó Disney nó Amazon nó fibrin RT player nó TG Car player. Are you watching anything interesting on the telly on Netflix or etc. Tá ma hain hosa ma hain breanú ar chlár nó sin Department Q. I started watching a new Netflix show there, Department Q, that. Agus that's go má. Ní feice amach a chéad episode. I've only seen the first episode. So rubag mall. A little bit slow burners they mar a deara. Ach tas is soch ma, tas a ní feice amach a chéad episode ma dúirt mach bena tas op ma go leor, tas at a scale an sachi agus yeah, it looks okay. Be ma brand new chéad episode Haration a live stream which I'll watch the next episode after the live stream. I'm betting on my lervas TikTok no YouTube. I might do a review babes of the show. Léir was generalta, like a generalized general review. Te go mis a feice mai récha Tá sé multa ag daoine freisin, multa it's recommended, praised or recommended by people. Tá multa ag daoine Department Q ar Netflix. Tháinig sé amach caiic se chun bitir. I think it came out about 2 weeks ago. Caiiciis is Fortnite, caiiciis. Agus dúirt no, I'm not very good about it. Dúirt Gurmad, ó se fáilteút. Tásúil am go tú cuneal go má. I hope you're keeping well. So go tú cuneal go má. A tam se blog am eile isteáil tennis díach. Gus go mar isteáil. Would you be brand with any simul Japan? Are you watching anything interesting? No. Netflix. Maar dan kerst ik hier maar eerst go Ilanach ga ik go hoogjes Ilanach Ilanaren. Any questions? Any questions? Ja, ik kan maar college. Als we try to go maar geilen nee. Het is het volste gemartas. They're still in the competition Galway. Hannes je dat we sé 8 pointse cáilech 8 pointse nar a glám as háinte leis as water an chu fé play up. They were down, was it 8 points at half time and they came back to win it. So gaile bú. Mar se bhí má sásta leis sin. Mar se fós an, fós tá seansa go fós bheith fós go martas san Ireland. Dúirt Jack féidir is bailm gaige chonacht go háir is gaige bhjós gaige I an áir an freisin. As slí ina láidin ní chus mo chlós a riomh cánaid tá chambilis agus chahiintach. Gur bhhaid bhfuil is seach go gaige na saoir a bhla. Seach go gaige na saoir, cánaid na saoir anó. Ach bhfuil tar gan nó chain ní tean in na saoir. We have our own accent here and in the saoir. And our own, a lot of our own words. Choi fálicht and choi umatar fakla cha frisin cha jiftat le a choi gonna mar. Funny in smajin small. Marupla does the fakla go fig, you know, to go or to get. And charge him with go. Go to bastach. You'll get rain, go to bastach. Go. Ach an in de smeáin, is sílim go in smór freisin dear said jou het sin. Ach an seán in de saoir, dear mus go tú siarnis, go tú sair chat, go tú siar tú. As go tú sí sa hua. As go tú báisteach an you will get rain. Ach jou near si dat sin in de smeáin. Mar tá show difrachtaí sin focail in the saoir. Show means a lot, Kellen, show a lot or loads, show, mar show difrachtaí. Tá show coslachtaí an, there's a lot of similarities at that show difrachtaí freisin, but there's lots of differences freisin. Dúirt Brian Murphy bhí mé féchant brean bhfuil blian in the saoir ar an teacht an YouTube. Níor leat an fáirt sa chláir sin ceapam chláir jazz. Is chláir jazz. No, níor leach. Dúnú bheith sin cinna do chuin. Fachsas dói séhlín dé go chun beidir, be 16 years ago, séhlín dé go chun stoi. Tar sin stoi, be around 16 years ago dúnú bheith sin. No mar sin. Agus táine bham chud is mógad a daoine bhí sa glár, I know the people well, dus a glár sin. Agus chlár simúl, blian in saoir dúnmh cumid episode 8 episode beidir, was it 8 episodes? 8 episode beidir, sílim my cappa. Ní mai cínt sin iseach tá my cappa thart ar 8 episode, mar ma go le mú. I think it's around 8 episodes. Dúnmh blian in the smeáin freisin sílim. might be in a blian Irishman. I think they did a show on the Irishman, or blian Irishman session. Mar Magalamu, Murra would Magalamu, if I'm not mistaken. By Bluggan Mishkan with East Standish. Well, Belgium Island chat, Spraoi do, Belgium main my part, if they do season 2, I might participate. Pages, Neil Sam. Brian, it depends. Brian, Brithen, Bran. Jeremy Bran, Hagonamar, so the Brahan, Brian, John, years much. Jack, Vader, Kimage Focal, the cannot in the Kimage Focal. Oh, the show Focal. Níl sam cimméid tá seo focail bí me hain tasat focail vín sam hain agus bí me in choilin tá Sonny ag tafan. Sonny is barking, my dog, upstairs. Tá sé tafan, he's barking. A tá seo focail bí me hain fálam focail nócha. I'm always learning myself new words. Vín ráte in sair nóis me frissin. I'm always learning. Every now and again by focail nó they say like my father will come up with a word. It's a gora. But a lag on kind, if you maybe it might be an idiom about building a wall or a type of stone in the wall or but everything feel I'm shit. No, rather get free doesn't much bar home for example. Jeremy did night boss throne. Chat the tuairtena downport tuairtena níon focail in saoire deir bit rát chat ile nád go mar tuairtena like downport coming down. A chat Jeremy tá sé ann. Oh, tá sé ann. It's a downpour, like very heavy rain when it's really heavy coming down, pelting down style. Jerfy, oh, tá sé ann. It is in a river. Tá sé in ann. It's in a river. As fresh and chin the country an aimse chaite. Jar yon chown. Jar much yon. A notch rinne. Yon. DHEIN. Yon. Jar chin go your moon. Go your moon, Jerry Yunus. No, well, Curtin Cano Dash the Harpain, they put a strange accent on themselves. They say Yain or Yainus. I'm not sure. Yun, or say Yun Shay Aun. Yun Chown. It did a river, meaning a downport. There's Jack, Chen, Bynum, Galore Saltus, the Hutch Fish, and Gus. Tá gaige go híhann tá sé Spraoi agus chonádrach agus tá hais go freisin darlam tá sé samúl. Tá gaige na saoire nó sna gaige na saoire tá gaige na saoir. Ach well, catch a lousher nine, it's just past 9:30 now. Catch a lousher nine, Yachambra. That's a gira catch a lousher nine. So it's just gone past 9:30. Because Marsha Tinna my budget carry I might do another 15 or so minutes. Kucha, what's get a hain? Do you know what? What's get will it's at carrot a hain? Wulle is at Kerday. Do you know what? Could my timer? I put a timer. Kujeg nomad. Timer 15 minutes. Erinish now. But there's a timer from Kache by live stream creating for a massive live stream. So when that live stream, when the timer's gone, I'll finish with the live stream because I'll have to when my guy Thursach, I'll be getting tired, be my sort heart of the checklog. Come on, excuse me. Heart of the checklog around 10 o'clock, no marshin Eileen Thursach. I get tired around 10 o'clock. I'll be my celeb gohundul. Gohundul is usually gohundul means Gohandul means usually. Instead of Jachna, we say Gohandul. G-O, then H-I-O-N-D-U Fadayel, Gohandul. Gohandul be masalab. It's a chegas a hine, but I'm usually in bed between 10 and 11. No matter. My guy, Thursday guys, I'll be getting kind of bit tired shortly. So if I were a timer, that's why I have a timer for 15 minutes. Nish dúirt Neebs book way gee Intach River of Rain downpour. My mom and I loved them separate like a rain and a river. I used Google Tamacha Spraoi as I'm avoid an bháisteach agus now I've nach come on the rivers. There's Jack Kitchen come on there's Jack Kitchen that an ólasach as ta show ólas chun tairsinch is móte Jack go. Oh, gur míle maith sin Jack. Gur míle maith sin. Thank you for the kind words, Jack. Gur míle maith. As there's Neebs. I'm here. Fáilte rút. Fáilte go dtí live stream. Lá na náidechaí on Father's Day. Welcome to the Father's Day live stream. That's something good to go ma. Kuramil Matt for helping and visiting us. Oh, fáilte rút. Tatu tau. You're great. Tau. T-O-G-H. That's what we say here, Charles Gonamara. Tau. T-O-G-H means good, good or grand. So in Sumplashin as the example I said there, tu tau, you're grand. Tu tau, you know, you're grand, tu tau. I guess there's Jack Chin. The guy in the moon I'm here in comparison to a nation Lemora Kjol as oh come on. Bín tú géisteach le ceol gaialacha ba or you do listen to ceol gaialacha is that éistim. Come on. Okay, there's Neebs. So okay, thank you. I will remember. Oh, my sons are fathers for today. Oh, come on, good. As I learned the cowworm, I think it means I was tempted. So the cowworm fanot salabune yosha. Come on, cow. So come on. Will I do you have any other questions for Gail Gioro Huchas Eleanor, and do you have any questions for a native Irish speaker from Eleanor and the Aran Islands? They block on Mele Ishkicham. Oh, it's just Ishke. Smile Mishkur. Ishke Fuhr. Smile Mishke not a matche. I like hot, cold water when I'm hot. Not matche. Not my bro. Egg bro. Oh, to my bro. I'm boiling. So bro is boiling. B-U-R-I-T-H. Bro. Tom may egg bro. I'm boiling. So na the vince may when I do be egg bro. When I do be boiling is smilum ishke fuhr. I like cold water. Ishke fuhr. Neebs, there's Neebs. Do you have a nice story about your father for the Father's Day? Well, I might have. YouTube. I might do a YouTube with my father. My YouTube. Lágas na lainta. So one of the days, Lágas na lainta. So a lot of people, galore daine, galore gael gyoji, jilin to the bottom, they make the mistake of saying Kán gus na lainta, Kán na lainta. sin bearlachas. That's bearlachas. Bearlachas is when you're just using English structure, English grammar, literally to translate or whatever. So lá gus na lainte, lá je na lainte. An Charlie an Jar mu lá gus well in sair réchi. Lá gus na lainte, lá gus na lainte, so lá je na lainte. Ach se mí tú géidir le ceol a scail. Bí me géiste bí me ce séhím ceol gailach. Séhím ceol gailach. I love Gaelic music. Séhím ceol gailach. There's Brian Murphy an mí Jackreachtaí at leis na canachilin ar víns tú ag géiteach le réid na gailachta. No Brian no is T.T. Kerr. Brian cha cawrail bein gailge hwn ang all cawrail bein cha Sir Jack is mawrail cawrail kittin cha dara. Sometimes Donegal Irish I find it difficult to understand. Sometimes when they're go home to chicken hicken bait och fan gate baitis gone Ruta Satara, I might understand 80% of what they're saying. Certas Carol cert a Benjamin and fifth and gate I do machas let's go hicks. I might be able to work out the remainder 20% with co-hicks, the context. Dutch Neebs it's in. Oh Gormat, I heard that lesson just this morning about law. You may Yun May, I said Rinne May, Yun May YouTube short. I did a YouTube short talking about law Gusnalaita versus Kong Gusnalaita. Law Gusnalaita is that's the correct one, not Kong Gusnalaita. There's Michael B. Greetings from Germany. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Michael, that's all I'm going to go. I hope you're well. Hope you're well there in Germany. Guten Abend. Come on. But noch Michael B. Are you Irish? Will Gaelge Michael B. Do you have any Gaelic, any Irish, Michael B? That's all I'm going to go. I hope you're well. Rist when I catch the lack do you have any questions for a native Irish speaker from Eleanor from the Iron Highlands? There's Neebs Neebs said, I am learning Ulster Irish. Our family came from there, 1811. We are American mixed family. Mom is Slovenian. Dad had the Donegal Irish. Well, Gaelge, Irish is Irish. So Irish is Irish. Gaelic is Gaelic. Táide frachtayan. Well, you might have Neebs. You might pick up lovely in the Sire Irish from me. So along the way, you might pick up my accent, my Gaelic, my Irish. Yeah, there's strange Irish up there. There's strange people up there from Donegal. There's strange up there. Ni machamaga. Ni machamaga. I'm only joking. Ni machamaga. Come on. There's Brian Murphy. Vach na daes gohintach. Vach. Yun. That's really Yun me fish na my couple of miochen. I made a video. I interviewed my father a couple of months ago. Is Philip Myers. My father's a poet, a writer. Agus skimta galore filiocht foi na hilan agus vin gaeltocht, he writes, composes lots of poetry. But the island, silent life, and Connemara and the gaeltocht, and just find seal again lot of lesson, about life in general. So it's Philip. is fille agus scríbnar freisin just scríb gar skelta. He writes short stories freisin. Mar se beidir gan me chun aglah eile faoi filiocht. Ginralta cid a sppragan sa. I might interview one of the days. Law gus na lainta agus se kind of filiocht. There's Neebs, I love your island Irish with all my heart. Oh, Gurmad. The smile of Mashinaflostella. I'd like to hear that. Thank you very much, Neebs. Intach, that's great. That's great, Intach. Go Gamon, Glinchad, Gailin. Because Janam, I guess, where and tell you Gailke. Well, it's like I'm right, chess. Probably depends where Gaig in the moon, probably where you are in Munster. And it's better than Jam Ogan, Yeshmita, or Gailkin at Gailin. Maybe the younger people are kind of saying Gailin. In Arch. Gailkin. Maybe it's a Gailkin at Gailin. Gailin, which I'm wrong. The younger people, better than Gailkin. The younger people, they mightn't have the people in their 20s, and so they mightn't have as good Irish as the older generation. The shan, but the guy chamag na jamoka, so be the shan drum. The older younger people might have shan drum, DREM drum is a group of people. So shan drum, the old people, and the drum oka, the young people. So group of people. Durch Neebs, I love the words and the accent. Hop in the side, hop, Gail in the side, hop in the side accent. Durch Jack at Chin. Kivish Chang Loudin Bear Lugus Gail Nilamach Berganin. Frankish agus couple of focal on Yarmanish. Jach no so hain Rubag Frankish amach. Parlez-vous français ni more an Gaelic tam. Ni more an Frankish tam. So Dort Jack Fager is Sevilum Sil Gomor Gaelin here freshen. Come on. So we'll end just Kimage no matter fucking the how many minutes left now. Oh, just no matter so there's 90 seconds left in the stream. But injury time. I might add a few minutes of injury time. I'll see. But mata Chile TUILLEIDH Chile means more. So mata Chile questionly. Agui hum. If ye have more questions for me, mata Chile keshni agui hum. Chile. So TUILLEIDH Chile. Our vile chili chips. Chili chips. Would you like more chili chips? Chili chips. So the pun shafajach, kind of a silly pun. So mata keshta if you have any questions for a native Irish speaker from the Iron Islands, Vein Sosta and the Keshni Agrich, I'll be happy to answer the questions, any questions. There's Jack Vader, Kivich Chang Loudon to Bear Lugus Gaelige, a couple of fucker Gammaris, a couple of fucker Frankish. Well, mar dúirt me Gaeilge agus Béarla nach tá rubag Frankish I just speak Irish and English and a little bit of French. But bagan ní mór an timer catch the timer's gone nach chuir me chúgnú mad eile. So I'm putting 5 minutes injury time. Chuir me chúgnú mad injury time. So the chúgnú mad fáchas a live stream. 5 minutes left in the live stream as it's in by my girmach, by my guidey thursach. I'll have to be going soon because I get tired around 10 o'clock. Be my guidey thursach hard at the gym. No mar sin. We'll see now. There's Neebs. I am so happy I got here in time. Your Irish YouTube reels start my day. Oh, Ítach ar fad, gur fáilte rút. Smile much nachlastal. Smile much nachlastal. I'm glad to hear that, Neebs. So hey, Neebs. So where are you from yourself, Neebs? America, you said. Did you say America? I heard. I read. Nislocha, I read earlier. Is it America you're from, Neebs? There's Jack Vader, Nimachit Frankish, Goma, Chodibe, that's coach or the Asa. Well, those may any more Frankish Tamhait, a man and Comatalivu, Sava bien, Pomme de terre, fata's potato. Pomme de terre is potato in French. Pomme de terre. Pomme de terre, apple of the earth. I think that's what it means. Literally translated, pomme, P-O-M-M-E, I think is apple de terre of the earth. So apple of the earth. Fata is potato. So there's Neebs. I am from California, but live in Michigan. It's scary times here in USA, in USA. Yes, that's it. It is kind of precarious. Contralche means, dangerous or precarious, I suppose. Contralche, it is uncertain times. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Which is, well, Tasulam go make Shiachan on. Hopefully there'll be peace. Shiachan agus Kiel. Hopefully there'll be sense and peace. So peace and sense will prevail. Hopefully. Tasulam. There's John Nolan or Joe Nolan. Excuse me. Joe said, live chat at house. Gurmat. All factorut. Gurmat. Small much nachlastal. Good to hear that. Agus there's Jack Vader. In the gailge come over for light. Agus being made in the range clacht Chalala Maris Chanko Mohincher agus ta Hallin on the Chivno. Agus a channel do or fa the meal to blin. Also, I will change it like your father. It's good to practice your Irish every day, because to preserve and protect and to keep the Irish language for thousands of years to come. Tasulam, yeah, ain't in that. I agree. Kate Van Gate, I agree 100%. Kate Van Gate. Durch Jack Vader, Spraoi gailge, mishe freshen. And there's Neebs said, yes, pray for us. Yeah, well, baby, I'm sure things will settle down in America. Tasulam, I hope so anyway. Tasulam. There's Brian Murphy, Gapato, and Wafa Gail, Crivna. Well, Tasula Jam, Wafa. Tasula Jam, I hope to God they went to Ireland. Tasula Jam. I hope to God they do. Tasula. That's a good hope. They've been in a half final about. They've been in two finals. Le journalists recently and others. But you have not a what and we hack a couple of we have a bunch of couple and just a law. We don't go on in your other soft mile a law. Be it the full in this far and they were the best team last year. I had in law, but on the day they weren't quite good enough. And I was against Armagh. I will hack a cup. Anyway, Tasula Jang will offer them Liana to hope to God they win today. This year, Tasula. So one or two questions left before I head off. Question the whole. I'll be going upstairs. Holla. Matha gaidi thursach. I'm getting tired. There's Neebs. I'll be reading Irish today. Book translates around the world in 80 days. So gobash and Phileas Fogg. Is it Phileas Fogg? Phileas Fogg who went around the world in 80 days. Come on. Lovely. Yeah. I've never read the book. I've seen the film years ago. An old film. They just know Shaska might have been done in the 60s, 50s or 60s. Lots of vocabulary. Come on. Store, store fokla. Oldham agus Faust the store fokla. It's got to read and that, and you broaden your vocabulary. Kintam Michigan. What time is it in Michigan? But there's a Czech logacha. There's a ngarve. Czech logacha. Ngarve. It's almost. There's a ngarve. Oh, there's a ngarve. It's almost 10 o'clock here now. Ngarve. So what time is it in Michigan? There's Brian Murphy Gorma, the Rish Tachara. It's Mocharin Tachu. Iwa. Oh, Shaiwa, Brian. Iwa. Keep Irish safe in me. It's about 5 o'clock. Who would have like Hunkeen it's just so we're 5 hours ahead of Michigan in Ireland. Who would have like Hunkeen. CHUN then CIONN I think. Yes, so Hunkeen is ahead of. So much. Who would have like Hunkeen at Michigan and here in Ireland. Kerkulor, I think one more question and that's it. Question one Ella. There's Jack Kitchen, Takertat, Gohomlan, Internet, Kate van Gate, Freshen, it's Changa and Arsa, Myrish Joe, Tash and Shankas Philippton. I guess it's believe for a dollar, monsieur. Come on, take care of father. I would be brave to speak Irish soon, hope. Oh, well, Lacuna J. Not be Himney Bert, not be Bora, not be Imney Be Art, Jack Loud. Don't be shy or don't be worried. Just speak. Whatever Irish you have, just speak it. You can only improve if you get that help, so you can only improve. Gurmagi Chulachin purchase the live stream. Thank you everyone that participated in the live stream. There's going to be Trunun the Jazz, agus Trunun the Jazz. Okay, I hope you have a lovely evening and lovely afternoon, or lovely night, wherever you are. Fibic and Ostaship, Kibik and Ostaship. Shneimar Shah, Slán go fóil.